I started riding with this electric scooter. It went up to 30 kilometers per hour and needed no license.
As my interest for bikes kept getting bigger, the bikes also kept getting bigger. I don't have words for that bike. That is Speed Triple 1050. Amazing bike.
जब आप किसी छोटे शहर में रहते हो ना, तो आपको ये बाइकिंग वाइकिंग का ना हिसाब किताब भी पता नहीं होता. आई वॉज लिमिटेड विद 15 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर ऑफ स्पेस, जहाँ पे कभी थोड़ा बहुत बाहर जाना हो जाता था, बट नेवर डिड अ लॉन्ग राइड. सो माई फर्स्ट सोलो वॉज ऑन माई बिलोवेड डिस्कवर 100T. आई डिड 379 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम महोबा, माई होम टाउन, टू भोपाल. This ride was full of anxiety, fear, happiness, fun, joy, what not. Every single, you name it, the emotion is there. It is still one of the best rides of my life. I have traveled a lot in last 2 years. Almost half of it was solo. So today I'm going to be telling you how to ride solo in India. You will need a bike, something to carry your luggage, and obviously you need yourself. चश्मा अच्छा लगता है. Other than yourself, you're also gonna need your driving license, registration card, pollution certificate, and a little bit of cash. Cash is very important because most of the times cards and UPIs won't work anywhere near your journey. So if you're traveling like in remote areas, going through villages, then you definitely need cash. And better है अगर 2 या 3 जगहों पे, if you can do this, if you can put it on your wallet, in your bag, or समवेयर इन योर बाइक ऑल्सो. बिकॉज कई बार क्या होता है कि रास्ते में या तो वॉलेट गिर जाता है या फिर चीज़ें चोरी हो जाती हैं. आई ऑलवेज स्टार्ट बाई रिसर्चिंग ऑन गूगल मैप्स. आई सी एवरी अल्टरनेट रूट, एवरी सिंगल ट्रैफिक कंडीशन, एंड लुकिंग एट द मेजर सिटीज़ in between, in case if I decided to stop. Another thing which you should do while you are riding solo is to check if the hotel has a secured parking, because this happened with us on the Nepal ride. लखनऊ में it was mentioned on their advertisement कि उनके पास पार्किंग है, बट हम लोगों ने कॉल करके कंफर्म नहीं किया. So we had to park at the railway station because railway station was the only nearby place जहाँ पे secured parking available थी. So moral of the story, always call and ask the hotel if they have secured parking. If they don't, then ask them if there is any nearby secure parking, और या फिर अगर वो होटल skip कर सकते हो आप, then you can skip that hotel. By the way, the weather is just amazing.
Try to start early in the morning and reach as far as you can in the first stretch, because the first stretch is the most refreshing one. And always look for the sunrise. Sunrises on a bike are the best part of the journey. थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया हूँ यार मैं. Even if you are a bit late and it's getting hot, you don't have to worry about it, because morning के जो 4 hours होते हैं, starting के 6, 7, 8, 9, and you can pull it to 10 or 11 even in summers. Usually these hours are cooler than the rest of the ones, so you can clock more kilometers on your bike. You can cover the initial kilometers while you are very fresh. So it is recommended that you start early and keep going on the same pace.
After riding for 1 or 2 years, I have realized that solo rides are actually quite good in India, quite safe in India, and you can go anywhere you want. गाँव वाले आपकी हेल्प करेंगे, लोग आपकी हेल्प करेंगे. People are very helpful. And another thing that you want to do is to check the tire pressure and the fuel. हमेशा ये याद रखो कि आप जा कहाँ रहे हो. If you are thinking कि हम किसी ऐसी जगह जा रहे हैं जहाँ पे फ्यूल नहीं मिलेगा, carry the fuel. Solo long rides can be seriously very boring. So either you can take stops and you can just find spots like these to enjoy for a bit. There are several stops in every journey where you can actually sit and relax for a while. Always take stops. And if you're not taking stops, then you should understand that it's not just point A to point B. Another very important part is to keep yourself hydrated while you are riding. I'll link down quite a few good hydration packs down in the link below, जो कि आप पीछे पहन सकते हैं. उसमें bladder होता है and you can simply drink it. I didn't bring it because I'm not very far from my home. It's 38 kilometers.
And I also follow a very strong rule. When the sun goes down, you go off the road. And if you think you want to ride at night, then you need strong lights. Something like this. It helps you to see everything on the road, just like that dog.
So one another thing that you guys have to understand is to carry safety information. अपना blood group अपनी bike पे लिखवा लीजिए and get your emergency contacts in your wallet. ऊपर ही phone की lock screen में आजकल option आने लगा है. You can just put some emergency contacts up there, emergency names, which is very very important in case if anything bad happens, people can actually contact them. And seriously यार, भोपाल का weather कब बदल जाए और कैसा हो जाए, you cannot say. I hope this video has helped you to understand how to ride solo, not only in India. If you follow these advices that I just did in this video, you can easily and safely travel a lot. If you have any other questions, you can directly drop down a comment or just ask me on Instagram at MotoZoomer. If you like the video, then please share the video. That's it. I'm Yasir, you're with MotoZoomer. Take care, ride safe.